Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Git and GNU Stow so files can be managed predictably. Next, create a .files folder in your $home and choose a repo style, bare for clean Git state or normal for simplicity. Clone your remote with submodules included if you use them, then switch to the new directory. Once done, verify branch and remotes, make sure you can push and pull. This gets you into the working tree immediately and lets you track every config change. You now organize files into package-like folders by application. This reduces conflicts and clarifies intent. Place each app's .files under a directory named for that app, then run GNU Stow targeting $home, for example, stow $home nvim to create symlinks. If a conflict appears, resolve by moving or renaming the local file, then rerun stow. Once links are correct, git add and commit the structured repo. This approach keeps installs reproducible and makes rollbacks trivial. You finish by pushing your cleaned, stowed repo to the remote and pulling it on any other machine to replicate your environment. Use stow R to refresh links after edits and stow D to remove a package cleanly. If something breaks, inspect the symlink targets and file permissions first. Broken links or wrong ownership are common faults. Then restow the specific package. Finally, run your apps to confirm behavior. If they fail, revert the last commit or reapply the package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.